How can one person change the world? How do nations make peace with each other? And what is a parliament? To know the answers to all these questions, first we need to know about politics. Politics for Beginners by Alex Frith, Rosie and Stowell, and published by USBORNE Publishers. This book is a perfect introduction to the world of politics and covers many political topics such as government, democracy, political ideologies, and explains the functions of the government, the role of politicians, and the electoral process, all with real life examples that encourages children to read this book and also makes it very interactive. I'm giving this book a rating of 4 out of 5 stars because going towards the end, some of the topics in this book are slightly complex for children of my age. So I recommend it for children 10 years and above. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting books. Bye!